Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Joking Jessy from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the tree branch. Let's draw two angled lines across the page like this. And then let's close off each end with a curve. Next, let's add the tail. Let's start on top in the middle and let's draw a curve up and then bring it down like this. And now let's follow that same curve underneath. Now let's erase the overlapping lines inside the tail. Now from underneath the tree branch, let's continue that line by waving it down to the left and then curving it up like this. And now let's follow that same curve underneath. Then at the end here, let's add a bump like this. And again, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Now to the right of the end, let's add another section of the tail. Let's add a bump underneath the branch. Then let's bring it up on top. And then one more curve to close it off. And again, let's erase the lines inside. And lastly, underneath the branch here, let's draw a curve down and back up to close off the end of the tail. And that's it for the tail. Next, let's move down and draw the body. At the end of the tail, let's draw a small curve out from both sides. Now let's add the legs. Let's draw a curve up, out and down, and the same on the right. Then underneath the left side, let's draw a curve, and then add a bump. And underneath the right side, let's draw two curves like this. Now let's add the toes at the ends. From the inside line, let's draw a bump. And the same thing on the right. And then 3 more bumps on both sides to close it off. And that's it for the legs and feet. Next, let's move back in and draw the body. From both sides, let's draw a curve down. And now let's add the arms. From underneath both sides, let's draw a long curve down and out like this. Then another curve underneath from the inside. Now underneath, let's add the hands. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumb. Then let's bring it down on both sides. underneath the outside, let's draw a small oval. And then 2 more next to it on the right for the fingers. Now let's hop over to the right and draw the other hand. For the inside line, let's draw a curve down and up for the thumb. Then let's bring it down. And then add a curve at the end like this. Now above it, let's add another curve. And the same thing underneath. And then bring it up to close off the hand. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move back in and draw the head. Let's start with 2 curves down for the neck. Then let's bring it out from both sides, making the left side a little bit longer. Now let's curve it down from both ends. Now before we close it off, let's draw 2 circles at the bottom for the eyes. Then inside each one, let's add another circle on the top left. And color both of these ones in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's finish closing the shape of the head. Let's continue the line behind the eyes like this. Lastly, let's move inside and draw the mouth. Let's draw a long curve across. And then on top, let's add 2 bumps for the teeth. And that's it for Joking Jessy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!